Hi fellow viewers, to everybody, good morning. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, my next necrological video is about the former Cebu governor during the time of Marcos administration during 1970s. Who am I referring to? I'm referring to Eduardo Eddie Gul Rivera Gullias Sr. Yes, my fellow Cebuanos. Even if I'm not from Cebu, I'm staying here in Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental. It's confirmed that former Talisay City Mayor Eduardo Rivera Gullias Sr. passed away. He died on November 6, 2025 at age of 95, Thursday morning in Cebu City. Actually, the Gullias family is the most prominent political leader in Cebu. He is popular in 1st District in Cebu Province. He was born on October 13, 1930. He died on November 6, 2025 at age of 95. He is the son of Vicente Gullias, the father, Josefina Pining Rivera Gullias, the mother. He is the chairman emeritus of University of the Visayas, or known as UV. By the way, he is survived by his wife, Norma Selma Gullias. He is survived by his children. The most common is Eduardo Gullias Jr. His grandchildren, the one who is continuing the legacy of the Talisay politics in Cebu, Talisay City Mayor Dr. Gerald Anthony Samsam Gullias, and he has a daughter-in-law, Rosana Gullias. The other one is he has a grandson, Talisay City Councilor Eduardo Digul Gullias III. And he also survives great-grandson, Eduardo Gullias IV, the baby. In his political background, he is 20th governor of Cebu. I will place it in the description. Appointed by former Philippine President Ferdinand Marcos Sr., or known as Ferdinand Edralin Marcos. The one you heard, Apo Lakay, he is the one. From 1976 to 1986. So he became a governor for 10 consecutive years. And he was a 1st District Congressman in Cebu, 7 terms, 1992 to 2001, 2004 to 2013, and 2019 to 2022. And he is the majority floor leader of House of Representatives. In his wake, his body was transferred in Crystal Palace at the Cosmopolitan Funeral Homes in Cebu. Then he will be buried on Tuesday, November 11, 2025, Tuesday. There will be a funeral mass at 1 p.m. Archdiocesan Shrine of Saint Therese, or known as Saint Therese Church in Barangay Lahu, Cebu City. So he will be buried in Cebu Memorial Park, Cebu City. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention something. He is also the founder of Talisay City College in 2004, when he was already the city mayor of Talisay. Oh, by the way, he is the first Talisay city mayor, because in the past few years, when Talisay is just only a town, it is not yet a city that time, is the first city mayor of Talisay, Cebu. This is the most not the longest video, but the complete details, although it did not reach 15 minutes. That's the most complete details already. He is also the founder of the Cebu Pop Festival since 1981. He is the one. He is the author. Until now, it still exists. As of 2025, it's now 44 years because I was born January 19, 1981. So it's already 44 years. Okay, so as your world's famous necrologist, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for my next necrological videos. Thank you so much for listening in this necrological video. Good morning.